Mabuhay! Welcome to Cebu Normal University. First of all, I would like to thank the Urban Sketcher Cebu for visiting our university and celebrating with us on our 124th founding anniversary. So we've decided to open our school grounds for different Cebuano artists and organization Urban Sketcher Cebu because we would like to give them the space to do the things that they are very passionate about, of course, about arts and not only arts, but for just the love of heritage and culture as well. And at the same time, we also want you to celebrate with us. Come and visit Cebu Normal University.
Four, three, two, one. Everyone, you are invited to freely roam and explore the gallery and museum.
Hello everyone. Today we are celebrating the opening of our 124th founding anniversary of our university, Cebu Normal University. On the first day, we are featuring Arts and Creativity Day. So we have different activities to feature the artworks of not only our people from Cebu Normal University, but everybody who are interested to join us in celebrating art. So today, we started with a cultural dance, and then there's an ongoing um, live painting, and we are featuring our century-old administration building right now, and we have also displays of different artworks at the administration building. Actually, the vision of the university is to transform this site, which is already declared as a heritage site, into an arts and tourism spot. So we envision that hopefully someday people would come to visit CNU and enjoy not only the artworks but the rich culture and history which covers the 124 years of CNU. So we are encouraging everyone to visit us starting today, June 16 up to June 26. So artworks will be displayed and there will be a lot of activities for the whole community. You can come and visit CNU. We're open for the rest of the celebration. Thank you.